Welcome back to another farming video. This is an update on the weeding of the thyme. So the times, now that the thyme weed out, it's getting here, it's supposed to take off like that. Yeah, so that was just a few cucumber seeds we were planting through the time. You know, I had those seeds for a while. Guys, I keep having the seeds but not finding the time to plant. And so by the time I plant some of the seeds, some not good, some good. Hopefully I get a few cucumber from this. It's even to use for my own purpose, you know. But yeah, I'll see what we can get out of this farm. So some copyright music started to play in the background, so I'm just voicing over. I was just showing you guys that at the top part of the farm we still have some time to weed out. As you can see, the gentleman wasn't finished because the sun got hot and he's working somewhere else, so I have to wait until he finds the time to come back and finish weed out that top section of the thyme. But as you can see, the thyme has taken off. It's really taken off, and so I'm happy. There are a few times that I will have to drop in here and there on the drip, but I mean, what we have so far really looks good. And I should note that I haven't used anything on the thyme. It's just rainfall, just strictly rainfall. I have a callaloo tree there in the middle of the farm. It's small, but it's all seed up already. Yeah, so I'm showing you now down by the melon farm. Because guess what? Already starting to put on baby melons, you know. So we're going down to the bottom where I saw a baby melon. There's a baby melon. That's the one I saw a couple days ago. And a lot of blossom is on there. Whole lot of blossom. There's another baby one. Yeah. So the melon is really putting on a lot of blossom. And the melon really looks good. Seems like I'm going to get a few melons out of this melon crop. Walking through, I'm finding more and more melons bearing. I noticed some of the leaves burning up though. But like Farmer Jeremy said when I spoke to him, when we get too much rain, some of the time we get what is known as acid rain and it burns up the plants. So I think that's what's happening with the melon. Alright. So yeah, just giving you an update on my farm. You know, I said I would do a video after the thyme weed out, but you know, it's not completed. I still wanted to do a little update. Yeah. Cocoa had that cocoa plant there for a while. This bee pollinating pollinating the melon. Well, yeah. So I think by second week of December or end of November, this melon should be ready to harvest, ready to reap, ready to eat, and ready to sell. Well, I just wanted to do a little update on the farm. Alright, so thank you guys for watching as usual. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching Shan Unique Vlogs JA. Bye!